Hi, my name is Nancy Byrne.
My name is Mike Byrne. We are the owners of Gabriella Chocolates and Confections. Well, we started back in 2007 with a business called Gabby's Patisserie in Osprey, Florida. We had our chocolate shop and also a retail bakery. And then we moved to this location in 2011 and went strictly chocolate production. So we produce a variety of products.
After college, I decided that I wanted to be in the application of food, and I was thinking that I wanted to do something with pastries and baking. I always liked cakes. So I went to baking and pastry school in Chicago, and that's where I got my degree in pastry arts and baking. So I started out doing baking, and then when we moved here to Florida, we were doing some other things, and we decided that we needed a change, and so we decided to open up the bakery in Osprey, Gabby's Patisserie. And so it just went from there. We just kept building on the chocolate love part of it.
We produce and sell about 50 different products, whether it's in the shop or online. You know, we make everything from a chocolate covered coconut macaroon, pecan toffee, if you like a little spice, chipotle pecan toffee, marshmallows from scratch, which are made with egg whites, vanilla bean, double coated and 60% dark. I'm getting hungry. One of our most popular products are our dessert truffles. It's a combination confectionery and bakery product. So it takes both elements, puts them together to create a great dessert.
But most of them just come from favorite flavors, things that people typically like, you know, peanut butter and chocolate. So you have the peanut butter dessert truffle. So of course, you know, that's very popular. Also caramel pecan. A lot of people like caramel pecan and chocolate. So that's a popular one. But it's pretty much just favorite flavors and favorite cake recipes that I have made over the years, combinations of things that people seem to really enjoy.
Today we're going to go back and make some mint dreams. The mint dreams are actually a favorite of Nancy's. She's a mint person.
Yeah, I'm a mint chocolate person.
So she put together her mint dream recipe, which contains cream and mint and cocoa butter, white chocolate. Is it sea
salt? A little bit of vanilla and some Himalayan sea salt.
Yeah.
Just to make the balance and the taste come together.
With a double cut of 60% dark chocolate, which really, you have a nice ratio of dark chocolate versus the mint center. So they're equal. It's a really, really tasty treat.
When we first started making the mint dreams, we had a customer that came in and tried them. And he kept coming back to buy them. And one day his wife came in to buy some for him and said, "These are so good right before I go to sleep. They make me sleep really well as my nighttime treat." So we changed the name from Mint Squares to Mint Dreams because we were thinking of this customer who said that they helped him have pleasant dreams. Now, today, we're going to go back and make our Mint Dreams.
This is the beginning stage of producing our mint dreams. We're mixing together white chocolate, cocoa butter, mint oil, vanilla bean, Himalayan sea salt, and we're making it into a liquid state, which we're going to form into cylinders, which go into the extruder to produce the shapes we need to enrobe.
After we mix our mint ganache, we chill it enough so that we can extrude it through this machine. We put the solidified ganache into this cylinder, and there is a pusher in here that is driven by a screw pump that pushes the ganache out of the front opening here. And then the cutter, when I turn that on, it will cut the size piece that I need. And we're making mint dreams right now. So I'm going to need a 10-gram weight for that. And so I use my scale to weigh out the piece size. And once it's set and I have the right piece size, I don't usually have to readjust anything. It just keeps going until this is completely empty in the tube.
This is the third step in our process of making our mint dreams. We're going to enrobe the mint dream center in chocolate, not once but twice. We're going to apply about 10 grams of chocolate to it, tempered chocolate, and it's a 60% dark chocolate. What's occurring is, as the chocolate goes through the chocolate waterfall, there is some vibration within the wire belt, which evens out the chocolate. There's a blower, which is set to remove a portion of the chocolate and smooth it out. It then goes through the cooling tunnel. The cooling tunnel brings the chocolate down to a temperature so the chocolate hardens up so we can handle it. As it comes out the other end, we're going to put a second coat on it. We'll flip them over and apply another 5 grams of chocolate. This is the end of the second step, where the chocolate has received its second coat of chocolate. There's now 10 grams of chocolate on each piece, approximately. The cooling tunnel is cooling it down to about 16 Celsius. So now it has its, the chocolate is hard enough to handle, to put on the trays. The next step is going to go to packaging. And depending on how we package it, for example, whether it's a 4-piece, 6-piece, or 12-piece, we'll put it in the appropriate package and